என்ன பண்ணலாம்? What menu?
I saw one of coconut in the fridge.
Okay.
Okay, we can do a very, very simplified version of coconut rice so that everybody can enjoy and
They can make it quickly
very
also.
quickly also. And it is a time for us and also for the kitchen to take rest.
Yes, correct, very true. So let's go to my kitchen. Let's see how she's making coconut rice her style. Come. To make this simple and delicious coconut rice, you will need 2 cups of rice. This is cooked rice. Then you will need half cup of grated coconut. You can even use store-bought desiccated coconut. Then for spice powders, we are going to use idli milagai. This is idli's chutney powder, 2 teaspoons and 2 green chillies. Salt to taste. And for tempering, we are going to use coconut oil, a pinch of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of Urad dal, 1 teaspoon of channa dal and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now let's start making this delicious and simple coconut rice. So first let's add oil to a kadai. Place it on low flame. Now add mustard seeds. When the mustard seed starts spluttering, add your Urad dal and your channa dal. So now the Urad dal and channa dal have started to brown. Add asafoetida and add the green chillies. If you have curry leaves, you can add curry leaves. We don't have it in stock, so we're not using it today. Now add the idli milagai, that is the idli chutney powder. This is the quick version of your coconut rice. Instead of roasting and grinding the spice powder, this is the quick and easy hack. Switch off the gas after you add the idli chutney powder immediately. Switch it off and then add the grated coconut. Fry it for a few seconds in the heat of the pan itself. It smells amazing. Now add salt. That's it, mix well and we can now add the rice. It hardly takes less than 10 minutes to make this rice, but it's so tasty. If you don't have this idli chutney powder, you can even use one dry red chilli along with the green chilli and make this. Now our coconut rice is ready. Just one last step. We're going to add a dash of coconut oil on top for the extra flavor. So our delicious coconut rice is now ready.
Super ma. Tenga sadam. Coconut rice is brilliant. Tangy, spicy, very tasty. Goes very well with buttermilk.
It took less than 10 minutes to make this, Ravi.
Great. I think great recipe to try, especially during lockdown time when we are all doing our household work and we are also doing our office work from home. Guys, please do try it at home and share your feedback with Uma. Great dish. Do try. Stay safe, stay healthy.